Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen. Today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make chicken cacciatore with white rice. Alright guys, let me go ahead and clear this stuff up and I'll be right back in a minute. Alright, so I'm going to chop up this. This is like what I do. Like so. Try to get them as thin as possible. Two stalks of celery. Right, chicken cacciatore with white rice. I'm going to use a rough chop, like so. We'll do our carrots. Cut these in halves. Now this roughly like maybe 2 carrots, if you will. You know, just take these bad boys, flip them on the side so they won't be moving around and cut yourself. Okay. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish up these and we'll start on our mushrooms. We're just going to roughly chop the mushroom and chop the celery. I mean not the celery but the bell pepper. Just going to chop these up like so. I know a lot of people like cooks. They like to throw away this part. I don't throw away any of my parts really. So I'm going to go ahead and work on these and show you how they're supposed to be looking. Alright? See you guys in a minute. Alright fam, here's my vegetables right here. We got like a cup of celery, which is like 2 stalks. I just chopped it up. We got half a cup of carrots, half a cup of bell peppers, a whole cup of mushroom. We have some parsley flakes and like 4 or 5 cloves of garlic right there, roughly chopped. That's how that looks, okay? Alright, now I gotta wash this chicken off and get that going. See you guys in a minute. So like all this fatty part, you want to take off. Okay? So you can look on that side, come on here, and like so. Take that part off. And discard that. Alright. Okay, hangovers, you just do so. I'll show you guys one more time. I normally come like this. Then I come this way with it. Just like so. Take this fatty part. Come off, take it off. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of these up and I'll show you how to season this bad boy up. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. We're just going to put some olive oil on this meat. Just like so. Not a whole lot, but enough. Just going to allow our seasoning to stick to the meat very well. Because we got to sear this. Okay? I like to do mine. I always start at the back side first. Like so. Come with a little kosher salt. Then we're going to come with some of this obey. Actually, you can use this last, but I'm just going ahead and put it on there since I'm doing it now. Alright. Come with a little black pepper. some of this Kinder's buttery poultry blend. This is optional. You don't really need all this stuff, but I know how the seasoning tastes on the food, so that's why I'm using it. And then we come with the Kinder's garlic and herbs. Okay. And repeat the process. Alright. See you guys in a minute. Go to the skillet. Okay fam, I'm back. We just want to coat this with some olive oil. You want to make sure this pan have all the olive oil that you need in there. So that should be enough. Take my chicken, skin side down. Just like so. I can do 4 pieces at a time. Like that. And we're just going to sear this on both sides. When it gets brown on the other side, then we'll flip it over and go from there. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam. Now you see I've been melting it like this. Not melting it, but like cooking it on the side like this. So don't let the people fool you. Unless you got some boneless ones. You're just going to turn this over. You're not cooking until all the way down either. You're just searing it. I'm on medium heat. Alright, I'm going to let that go. And I'll be back. Alright, so I'm going to take these out. Come in here, turn the eye back down to medium low. We're going to add our ingredients on vegetables. Okay? So all we're going to do, we're going to stir fry this up or saute it up till it gets nice and soft. I'll show you what we'll be doing now. Okay fam, I'm back. Now here's what you want to do. You want to take some red wine and you want to get you about a half cup of that in there. Okay? And we're going to reduce that. Alright, turn this up a little bit. So what we're going to do is reduce this wine. And we come in with our other ingredients. While that's working on that, I'm going to come in here with some red tomatoes. We ain't going for red tomatoes, but some diced tomatoes. A can of that. Gotta move that around in here. Okay. Now remember, this is going to cook for 45 minutes. Come in here with my chicken. Right on top. Like that. Like so. Move this around. I'm going to come in with chicken legs. Just put those like right so. Those in there. Like so. And we're going to come in here with our Cacciatore. Like so. I'm going to reduce this to simmer and let this bad boy go. Take you a piece of butter if you want to. Just throw that right there. And we're just going to let this cook, guys. If you got a lid, you put a lid on it and just let it simmer. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, I'm finally done with the chicken cacciatore from VELDOGG'S Kitchen. I'll show you that up close. Alright fam, if you like this recipe of this chicken cacciatore, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to, that's right, you already know, hit that bell for me so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Much love and